Hey guys, welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Today we're going to be making ranch baked chicken. I've never tried it, but I got the recipe from Boots and Bonnets, and I'm going to change it just a little bit because she used Italian breadcrumbs. Well, I'm using croutons because I don't have any breadcrumbs. We're going to squish them up and use them like they're breadcrumbs. So hang out and I'll show you how to make some ranch baked chicken. This is what you're gonna need for this recipe. We have 2 big chicken breasts here that we're gonna split and make 4 small pieces. You need some Hidden Valley Ranch. You need some Parmesan cheese. And instead of Italian breadcrumbs, this is what we're gonna use. Is these croutons. We're gonna mash them up so that they are like breadcrumbs. All right, so we're gonna start by splitting this breast. Well, the knife's not sharp enough, I don't think, but it worked. So we're gonna take off as much fat as we can, and we're gonna cook that and give it to the dogs. So I have that one split, and I'm gonna cut that off. And if you rather leave the fat on yours, so be it. To each their own. So I'm gonna split this one right there. All right, so now we've got that split. I'll be back in a minute with the rest. All right, so these croutons, now we're just going to smash them up, basically. I'm just gonna put the bag down here, and we're gonna smash it up. So now that we have these all squished up, we're gonna put these in a bowl with this Parmesan cheese, and I will put this whole bag, which is 5 ounces, with a cup of Parmesan cheese. We're gonna go ahead and spray our pan. And then we're gonna take our chicken here, and we're just gonna take this ranch dressing and we're gonna put it on top of it, like so. Take a spoon, kind of smooth that out. Like so. You have to just kind of have it covered all in the ranch dressing. And then you take your bowl here, you put your chicken in here and bat it. And then on top of that chicken, you want to go ahead and put a little bit more ranch dressing. flip it over. And batter. And then now we have all 4 of the chicken breasts breaded in the ranch, the Parmesan, and the croutons, or breadcrumbs, whichever you want to use. I have preheated the oven to 350. And now I'm just going to put it in there. And now we just wait. You cook it until the chicken's done. So I'll come back when the chicken's done. So we're about to take the chicken out. It smells delicious. And we got some crescent rolls and some rice going. And we got a big pot of white beans with sausage in it. That's what's for supper, guys. And this is the chicken. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty yummy to me. Let's plate it up. Alright, this is what it looks like. This is a crescent roll. This is some rice. This is white northern beans with sausage. And that's our ranch baked chicken. It's delicious. I don't know what to say. Try it. Go ahead and get in there and try it. It's delicious.